Only 1% can solve this. Easy mode. How many players are on a soccer team on the field? (11) What part of the body cannot touch the ball? Hand. How long is a standard match? (90 minutes). Who starts the game? Team kickoff. What is the main objective? Score goals. What shape is the ball? Round. What card means warning? Yellow. What card means sent off? Red. Who wears gloves usually? Goalkeeper. Where is the penalty taken from? Penalty spot. Medium mode. How many minutes is 1/2? (45) What is offside related to? Position. Who controls the match? Referee. How many substitutions? Traditional rule. (3) What restarts play after ball crosses sideline? Throw-in. What restarts play after goal? Kickoff. Which kick is taken from corner arc? Corner kick. What footwear is used? Cleats. What does GK mainly defend? Goal. What is extra time usually? 30 minutes. Hard mode. How many referees are on field? Three referees. VAR is used for. Decisions. What does FIFA stand for? Football Federation. What is a brace? Two goals. What is a hat trick? Three goals. What happens after red card? Player off. What is a clean sheet? No goals conceded. What restarts after foul? Free kick. What competition is every 4 years? World Cup. What position links defense and attack? Midfielder. Insane mode. Which country won 2018 World Cup? France. What is stoppage time also called? Injury time. Max players in squad, WC. "23 players. Which player won most Ballon d'Or? Messi. What is a nutmeg? Skill. What is tiki-taka? Passing style. Which league is EPL? England. What does GK stand for? Goalkeeper. Which club has most UCL titles? Real Madrid. What decides winner after penalties tied? Sudden death. Out of 40 questions, how many did you get right? Share your score in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more fun quiz videos.